MI200T proves once again that nothing else is a cheap. It's more powerful, more efficient, and more affordable than other spot welders on the market, giving your shop the ability to increase productivity and weld effectiveness. The MI200T's design delivers the large currents needed for flawless fusion while requiring less input power, enhancing its energy savings. And with a price below that of many spot welders with old cable-based technology, you get a top-end auto mode welder at a low-end price. The MI200T can automatically detect and adjust welding parameters, reducing the chances of human error while displaying results of every weld and logging repair report data. Its lightweight transformer pliers are liquid-cooled to the tip, with a duty cycle so high, technicians can weld continuously without slowing down. Some welders only offer 3 or 4 arm options, while the MI200T has 11 different arm configurations, allowing technicians to reach the toughest spots. And changing arms is fast and easy. Just pop off the cooling lines, flip a lever, and remove the arm, giving you the advantage of customizing your welder in seconds. The MI200T also features a simple-to-use LCD interface with easy-to-follow graphical controls, an overhead balancer for added ease of use, the industry's longest welding cable for increased reach, and a 360 gyro for easier maneuverability. If you're looking for a powerful, efficient, and affordable spot welder, nothing else compares to the MI200T, because nothing else is a cheap.